I am his oxygen. He breathes me in deeply. He always runs behind me with love and passion. He keeps me close, cherishing every moment with me. He holds me by his side, embracing me with warmth. His presence feels complete when I am beside him. He feels an intense connection whenever I am near. I am the essence of his happiness and peace. He thrives in my presence, feeling energized and fulfilled. His heart beats in perfect rhythm with mine. He is drawn to me effortlessly, as if by destiny. He treasures me like the most precious gift. His mind is filled with thoughts of me. He desires my presence in every part of his life. I am his favorite person, and he values me deeply. His love for me shines through his every action. He always chooses me with absolute certainty. He adores every little thing about me. His eyes sparkle with joy whenever he sees me. His hands naturally reach for mine, holding me gently. His voice softens whenever he speaks to me. His heart finds peace in my embrace. He makes space for me in every aspect of his life. He expresses his love for me in beautiful ways. His devotion to me grows stronger each day. He appreciates my presence and prioritizes me. His warmth surrounds me like a comforting blanket. He sees me as the most important part of his life. I am the light that brightens his world. He showers me with love, attention, and affection. I am his source of joy, laughter, and inspiration. He finds deep meaning in our connection. He holds my words close to his heart. His admiration for me is endless and sincere. I am the love he has always dreamed of. His passion for me burns stronger every day. He enjoys every moment spent with me. His soul recognizes me as his perfect match. He naturally gravitates toward me, feeling safe and loved. He cherishes my presence like a priceless treasure. He listens to me with complete love and respect. His energy harmonizes perfectly with mine. He feels at home whenever he is with me. His heart overflows with love for me. He enjoys making me happy and fulfilled. He prioritizes my well-being and happiness. His love for me is pure, strong, and unwavering. He appreciates every little thing I do. His commitment to me is deep and everlasting. I am the center of his world, and he adores me. He feels complete in my presence, loving me endlessly.